In this quick GetResponse explainer, I'm going to show you how to create a new email list on GetResponse so you can start growing your email marketing strategy right away. If you're new to this, stick around because we'll break down every step, and by the end, you'll have a solid understanding of how to do it quickly and efficiently. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to log into your GetResponse account. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up through the link in the description for an extended free trial. Alright, once you're logged in, you'll see your GetResponse dashboard. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Contacts tab at the top of the page. This is where you manage all your email lists. Now, click on Lists from the drop-down menu. This will bring you to a page showing all the lists you have set up. Since we're creating a new list, click the green Create List button. Next thing, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your new list. Choose something that's descriptive so you can easily recognize it later, especially if you're managing multiple lists. It's important to keep things organized from the start. Once you've named your list, hit Create, and just like that, your new list is live. But we're not done yet. The next step is to configure some settings for this list. Click on the list you just created, and you'll land on a settings page. Here, you can set up your list description, choose whether to allow or block certain contacts, and even set up custom fields to collect extra information from your subscribers. Take a moment to fill these out if necessary. The fourth thing you'll want to do is configure your subscription settings. This includes creating a welcome message for new subscribers. It's a great idea to add a personal touch here so your subscribers know exactly what to expect after they join your list. Next, let's talk about adding subscribers to your list. You can do this manually by clicking the Add Contacts button and entering the details, or you can import a list of contacts from another source, like a CSV file or another email marketing platform. GetResponse makes this process easy with its import wizard, which helps you map out the columns to ensure everything lines up. Finally, once you've got your list set up and subscribers are in place, you're ready to start sending campaigns. You'll find a Create Campaign button within the list you just created. From there, you can start designing your email, choosing from GetResponse's templates or creating your own custom design. Before we wrap up, I want to mention that while GetResponse is great for creating email lists and automating campaigns, there are some amazing alternatives out there that might work even better for your specific needs. If you're looking for a platform that's more flexible with advanced automation, or one that's a bit easier to use for beginners, make sure to check the link in the description. Through our link, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial, along with some amazing benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Don't miss out.